Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, each and every lifelong product is with extra 6-month extended warranty. So if you really want to enjoy this 6-month extra warranty, then you have to follow the process what is written back of the page. Write a product review and take screenshot from where you have bought the product, and then you have to follow the process. One process, you can WhatsApp it to this number and they will send you the link that you have to follow and submit extended warranty form. And directly you can go to this link and then submit the extended warranty form and enjoy extended 6-month warranty with the general warranty, what actually 2 years. So actually you will get total 2.5 years warranty after this extension. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get the 6-month warranty from the lifelong company for the product, then first of all you have to write the review from where you have purchased the product. As I have purchased the product from the Flipkart, so clicking on the Flipkart, I have to go to the order section, then click here and go to my orders, and you have to select the particular product what you have purchased from the lifelong company through Flipkart, this one. And you can see here clearly I have already given the stars and written the review also. So if you want to see, then click here, edit review, and you will get what I have written. For the first impression, when I have unboxed the product, what actually impressed me, I have written the truly sentence here. Nothing I have written what is fake. You have to take one screenshot, okay, this one. So I have taken the screenshot, and then this screenshot you have to upload in the lifelong's website. How to upload this screenshot I will show you. And now from here you have to go to Chrome. You can see this one, Chrome. So after going to the Chrome, you have to go to the website link what is given in the box pack 6-month extended warranty form what you have got. It is written there. So just put the link here. So that link I'm just pasting here. So this is the link, you can see here clearly. https://www.lifelongindiaonline.com/page/service support. So after clicking OK, it will redirect you to the lifelong website. You can see here this one time extended 6-month warranty. It's simple, just fill in the form. So this form you have to fill it up. What fields are required? First name, last name, email, mobile number, order ID, model number, purchased from where, and choose file. This choose file means what few minutes ago I have captured the screenshot. You have to upload this screenshot here and then you have to submit. Order ID and model number you will get. Actually order ID is written on the Flipkart website, and what invoice you have got at the time of delivery, online invoice, you will get also the order ID, and model number you will get from the Flipkart website. Now you can see I have put my first name, last name, my email address, my mobile number, and order ID. If you want to get the order ID, then go to the Flipkart again, this one, click here. Now clearly you can see this is the order ID. You can get alternatively this order ID from the invoice, online invoice. Now press and hold, and this will be highlighted, then copy it, paste here. I have pasted. Now model number, you have to click on the lifelong 3-liter instant water geyser, click here, then scroll down, highlights about this product, and then click on the all details. Now specification, now you can see here model name is written here, LLWH106. so this you have to put. Now from where you have purchased it, click here, and from drop down menu you have to select from where you have purchased Flipkart. Then you have to choose the file, so click here, choose file, then click on browse, then go to gallery, then go to album, then click on recent. You will get that is the screenshot. Now it is uploaded. You can see it is clearly written uploaded. Then I'm not robot. Click here. Click there. Now submit. Now processing. You can see here. Thank you. So already it is submitted.
After submitting the form to the company will confirm you by an email, and I'll show you that email here. You can see this one, warranty registration. You can see here your 6-month additional warranty has been successfully registered with us.
So in this way you have to register your 6-month extended warranty with the Lifelong company. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.